By the way, I was watching you sleep for a moment, and I noticed that your snoring seems to be worse when you're on your back.
Leonard doesn't snore.
No, I wasn't talking to Leonard. Told you.
So, Mr. Cooper, you're looking for a job.
A menial job. Like yours.
Thank you for noticing. I'm Menial Employee of the Month. Do you have a particular field in mind?
I do. For thousands of years, the lowest classes of the human race have spent their lives laboring to erect monuments under the lash of their betters, until finally they dropped down and became one with the dust through which they trudge. Do you have anything like that?